Hey guys, Tactical Pig Gaming here. Today we're going to be unboxing the AGM M700 Airsoft bolt action sniper rifle with scope rail. The color is black. Get my trusty new knife. Let's go. There we go. All right. Oh, I also ordered a scope with this. I'll show you. I'll tell you the name of that later. Papers, more cardboard. Ow. That kind of hurt. All right. Here's the body of it. Where's my camera? Oh, here's the body of it. Looks like I'm going to need to put this together. I'm going to pause the video. I'll put this together later. So I've kind of assembled it here. Here's how the bolt works. It's always been one of my favorite gun mechanisms. Yeah, so that's that. I'm going to try to get the scope on. Alright, so I'm mounting the scope here. The name of the scope is 3-9x40 Professional Scope for Airsoft Rifles with Scope Rings. So yeah, I've gotten that mounted. Yeah, it's pretty cool. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that little video. It was really more or less just to show you what the gun looks like. I'm not a professional unboxing YouTube channel. I don't know all the cool things to do with... I've seen some pretty good unboxing videos, but this is probably not one of them. So yeah, I forgot to mention it comes with a little more attachments than that. It has a strap you can attach to it to carry it to your back. It has a unjamming thing here, I think. I don't know, I'm not a professional. I haven't really played much Airsoft. It's just I like the guns. Comes with a speed loader. And yeah, the scope comes with these scope caps to keep it clean and, no dust. So yeah, hope you guys semi-enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel. And I will see y'all later. Peace.